In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix intersection not showing in Elementor WordPress. If you've opened up Elementor and noticed that the intersection widget is missing or not showing the way it used to, don't worry. This is usually related to one specific setting in Elementor's features. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the exact change you need to make so you can get the classic intersection layout back and continue designing as normal. First, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard, as you normally would. Once you're on the main dashboard screen, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down until you see the Elementor menu item. Hover your mouse over Elementor, and from the options that appear underneath, click on Editor. This will open the Elementor dashboard inside your WordPress admin area. When the Elementor dashboard loads, focus again on the left-hand panel. Here, look for the settings option and click on it. This will take you to the main settings area for Elementor. At the top of this page, you'll see several tabs that let you control different aspects of how Elementor behaves on your site. Find the tab labeled Features and click on it. The Features tab controls newer and experimental options, including how layouts are handled inside Elementor. After the Features settings finish loading, scroll through the list until you locate the option called Container. To the right of Container, you'll see a drop-down field. Go ahead and click on that drop-down. By default, it may be set to Active or Default, which is what enables the new container-based layout system. From the drop-down options, select Inactive. This tells Elementor to turn off the container feature and go back to the older section and intersection structure that many users are more familiar with. As soon as you choose Inactive, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This pop-up will ask if you're sure you want to deactivate the container feature and may show a few reminders or warnings about what this change does. Read through the information so you understand the impact, and when you're ready, click the Deactivate button at the bottom right corner of the pop-up. After deactivating containers, your intersection widget should now reappear and behave as expected the next time you open a page with Elementor. You can now return to editing your pages and continue building your layouts using intersections just like before.